Hello guys, today I'm washing on my friend's aids on delicate cycle and look the drawer how it's dirty and it make a water level reaching the glass and it can tumbling nothing, it handled well and it suits. Wait. Gonna cleaning the display. Wait, where's that? Is there no? Wait. Still handle it well. Okay, let's clean the display part and the glass. The door, oh, look here. Hope I won't turning it off. Oh. It beeps, not giving ERR. Okay. It's sudsy. I think this machine will gonna start locking. This machine never jumps. I think later we'll make another service mode if I can. Oh, quality guys, it's leaking. It's leaking. Quality. Lives like a pro. Live like a pro. So guys, look. The quality of the door. It's leaking. Quality of the door. It's live like a pro. I'm on my friend's house today. Ti invito a... Ehi! Ha fatto un po' di schiuma Luca. Sì. Immaginati se arriva fino lì.
Ciao.
Guarda. Oppala. Dopo facciamo il ciclo di servizio.
No, dopo andiamo adesso.
Sì, dai.
Vieni.
Andiamo? Ok. Oh, it's sudsy. Oh my god. Okay. I will recording. I think I will record later. But the quality of the door is good. The quality of the door is so good. And it can't tumbling nothing. High quality. Mega love. Omega. Okay, we're recording another part later.